nag-create na ako ng Clipsta na group here. So, pag inopen mo yung Clipsta na group dito sa taas, automatic magbubukas yung board. It should be here. Yan. Klaviyo. Authentication code. Also, ito palang Klaviyo is one person at a time. So, example, here, naka-Cangrow ako and naka-login ka din. And then, I switch to Clipsta. Magsuswitch din siya sa'yo even though magkaiba tayo ng device. So, one person at a time lang yung pwedeng gumamit dito sa Klaviyo. So, mas okay na meron tayong communication if ever magsa-start ka ng campaign or magla-login ka dito sa Klaviyo. And also, every day, nagre-require siya ng code, which is yun ka, yung 30 seconds lang from an authentication app. So, you need to chat me pa din naman kung magla-login ka. So, ayun. Here, you can search for Clipsta. Ito. Or yung folder mismo. So, may folder tayo ng Clipsta. Here. So, you can use all of these designs. Pero ito kasi naka-footer na yan. And then here, for the graphics, you can also use any of this. So, ang ginagawa ko lang dyan is pinapalitan ko lang yung mismong image. So, what I do is I go to projects here from the side and then search for Clipsta. And then go to folders. Ayan, search mo yung Clipsta. Meron dito mga images na. So, what I do is change ko lang yung kunyari ito. Yan. So, and then papalitan ko lang to nung headline and subheadline na ginawa ko from ChatGPT. So, that's how it works. Yan. Yan, pinalitan pala niya yun. So, pag GIF ang gagamitin mo is you can just download yung specific na GIF or GIF here, and then the specific pages. Plus, you need to make sure na naka 1 second yung timing nung GIF. And also, ang Klaviyo, allowed lang niya is 5 MB na image or GIF. So, hindi ka pwedeng mag-upload ng video. Pag video ang kailangan, you need to create an image with a play button and then link it lang sa video. It's either on YouTube or Instagram or wherever. Pero hindi ka pwedeng mag-upload ng video. JPG, PNG, and GIF lang ang pwede. So, you can also use the features here. So, sometimes I do I put in something inside the email aside from the header or the hero banner. So for example, let's see. For you to easy check the email info or the preview, you can just click here. It will automatically open another tab. So ayan. So may mga images ako dyan. I also have, let's see, here, this is just an image. Tapos ayan, may GIF ako sa gitna. Yan, you can, add images inside here. Ito naman, ito is, anong tawag dito? GIF yung hero banner ko. And then here, meron ako dito ang GIF or GIF for the feature. Ito. So, ayan. May feature ako dito. So, you can do or you can be creative for the email. Basta ang goal lang or ang guidelines lang ni Clipsta is simple as possible. So, wala masyadong designs as long na nasusunod mo yung format. So, may format naman dito yung hero banner natin. So, yung hero banner is ganyan lang yung format. Ganyan or ganyan, nasa baba. Basta ganyan lang yung format niya. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-isip ng bago. You just need to make sure na simple as possible lang yung ating emails for Clipsta. And then for the information, you need to go to Trello. So, kapag inopen mo naman yung Clipsta na group nga, ma-automatic na open yung Trello. So, here, kagaya nito, Summer Essential Checklist. So, they have information or they have added the information here. So, ayan, create summer packing checklist for, ayan, showing how they simplify. So, what you need to do for ChatGPT, for example, di ba binigyan kita ng prompt na gagamitin mo. So, for, let's say, here, ilalagay mo yung summer essential checklist and then copy mo yung description. This is the info. And then put it there lang. So, yung ano na yun, yung information na yun, magbibigay sa'yo ng headline, subheadline, subject line, preview text. So, ayan. So, ito na yung content nung email. You can just double check kung tama ba yung info na binigay niya. And also, make sure na Australian spelling yung gamit. So, walang Z or Z. Sa Australia, laging S. Sobrang dalang ng Z. Unless yung mga amazing, ganyan. So, yun. And then, I think, yun lang. So, and also, make sure na kapag naglagay ka ng, for this pala, you can just clone yung mga emails instead of creating or using the template. So, clone mo lang yan, palitan mo yung title, name, and then yung subject line and preview text. So, and then once na nag-create ka na nito, make sure na yung link, URL, here is directed sa Clipsta or depende kung anong prino-promote mo. Kung ang prino-promote mo is yung kagaya ng Pliff bag, you need to make sure na sa Pliff bag siya naka-link. I also add ko din dito yung Clipsta. Clipsta.com lang pala sila. So, yan. So, for example, kung flex naman yung ano mo, yun lang yung iaano mo. Or kung bundles, dun dapat nakasave. And also, lahat ng images should have alt text. Make sure na double check mo yung preview ng email and mobile. So, I think if you have any questions, just message me kung anong pwede kong itulong. But, very straightforward ang panggagawa ng email marketing dito sa Klaviyo. Medyo malilito ka lang sa una kasi you need to drag and drop or you need to add context or the text inside. So, kapag nasanay ka na, you can be as fast as 10 minutes, 20 minutes, depende. Kasi usually, I create email campaigns like less than 30 minutes isa. Kasama na doon yung mga images or ano. Kasi madali lang naman magpalit ng images. Pero at the beginning or at the start, I know that you would take more than an hour to create an email. So, you need to practice. And then, once na-practice mo na, I'll get you to do other clients. So, itong mga star dyan, ako lahat gumagawa niyan. Yan. So, yung 5, ako yung gumagawa niyan. Can grow animasi yan. And then, if ever na yung mga team members ng Email by Design is naka-vacation or sick, they can just message me, oy, pagawa naman ako or pa-draft naman ng email campaign for this client. So, ang tatandaan mo lang is our clients have their own branding. So, kung marunong kang tumingin ng branding and yung usually naman meron na kaming template as I mentioned on the training. May mga template na yung mga clients. So, all you need to do is to clone kung ano yung pinakamalapit na email doon sa ipropromote or gagawin mong email campaign. So for example, this is back in stock. So kung meron kang another back in stock na email, you can just clone this one, 'di ba? So para mas alam mo yung pagkakasunod-sunod nung ilalagay mo yung features, yung ano. For ito naman, back to school essentials, parang ano siya, promotion. So ayan, December favorites, dito mga highlights lang yan ng mga products. So ayun lang, if you have any questions, just DM me.